What are you eating?
What?
What are you eating?
Pop-Tart.
Pop-Tart? Well, our water's almost boiled. Soon we'll have warm, what are we having? Warm oatmeal? Or porridge from? Oh yeah, it is apple oatmeal, apple maple oatmeal in our little BioLite. So we're in, we took off from Cox's Cove, which is just behind me, and we just paddled over to this this north side. Behind me is Goose Arm and Penguin Arm, and out that way is the Greater Bay of Islands and well, I guess Woods Island. But we're kind of freaked out because every now and again, way up there, ice is letting go. Can you see it way up there? Those ice things are falling. Holy smokes! Oh, that was good. Big chunks are coming way down. Owen invented a game. It's called Sink the Iceberg, and he managed to do it. That one is pretty well submerged because of all the rocks that are on it. I'm enjoying a delicious cup of coffee at the moment, and over here Owen is checking out some shale rock. He's exploring the rock.